Little Miss Magpie here has seen something shiny.
Really? No, yeah, I know. Can't help myself. Certain things stand out to you though, don't they?
Well, they go behind the silver A4 logo, you know, like the mallard.
Oh, right, okay.
So it's exactly your type of thing, isn't it?
I think there might be a set over there that's something similar.
Is there? We'll have a look.
Have a look.
So there is.
What's that one?
Silver Fox.
Ah.
You've got a lot of battle space stuff there as well. And you've got the propeller car at the top there.
I've not seen that, I'll be honest with you. I've not seen that.
I've never seen one for sale before. They are very, very rare. Shall we see it going?
Yeah, we'll have to ask in a moment. I think they're all a bit busy, but yeah.
A nice blue Pullman set there, actually boxed.
That is nice, isn't it?
Woodhead electric. Used to got mirrors.
£90, that, yeah.
And you've got a lovely selection of little tank locos.
Look!
Yeah, we got Nelly. It's got a name. And obviously we have that one now.
Yeah, that's mine.
It works, doesn't it?
Yeah. Wonderful.
I'd leave that running. It's a bit warm round here. It's cooling you off. Big grey A4 he's got there.
Ooh, now that's nice. Get away!
Right, he's just hiding the scratches. Don't worry about it.
You won't say that if my mate were here.
It's lovely. It is nice though, isn't it?
How much?
All brass.
How much is it?
£995. £995.
Wow.
I do like those. We've ridden on one of those.
Oh, have we?
Yeah.
I feel as though I've seen a lot of pale blue ones on the
Oh right, okay. Well, there's another one here.
I know,
so
I know.
there you
I
go.
feel as though they've seen quite a few recently.
One's 10, one's 12. I think one's slightly new, and that's got a bit of a coupling missing.
Ah.
Yeah, just slightly newer version, slightly different colour. First, it looks the same, but it's
Yeah.
not. So look at this station here. It's a kit by a company called Super Quick, and I had that station on my railway as a kid.
Did you?
It wasn't as long, but it had all this station building on, yeah. Obviously, it's very old.
That's right.
And the Metcalfe ones are obviously taking the
Where
details
are
to
we?
another level. Where are we indeed?
Jill's trains.
Oh, okay. The Pale Fops. We've got a few of those now.
Yeah.
You know, the Lima ones. They are very nice. Really nice runners.
It's an unusual box.
It's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lima had quite a few different boxes, but that is... Look at this one.
£23.50.
Looks new, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You're very early. Hornby ones.
£7.50.
Quite a lot of Airfix wagons there. Tizer one. Tizer, Nestle.
Where are you looking? Oh.
Right at the back of the...
Ah,
yeah.
right, okay. Tizer.
Stock
Wait,
margarine.
have we got one of Tizer?
No, we haven't.
I think we should get one though. I feel that we should get a Tizer.
If you want to buy one, you buy one. It's your Hornby starter logo. Queen Mary. Got an L in the R. They're all the same, just different liveries on.
Yeah.
What's this? Lima 40.
Is that £60?
Yeah, monster those, aren't they?
Oh, these are 3-rail.
Yeah, 3 rail points, yeah. Some weight in those. Solid metal, isn't it?
Yeah.
How much are these?
For the singles, £250.
250. You get a lot of metal for your money.
There's 2 in the box.
Oh, right, okay, thank you. We've got some Lima N-gauge.
Oh, they're tiny, aren't they? How much are those?
1650.
Is that Thai food?
Yes. It is indeed.
You sort of recognise them, don't you? Especially with
Yeah,
that
that's
mistake.
advertising for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
So they're all the same price. Oh, what we got here? You see that? Horse and cart. 2 horses.
You don't often see that, do you?
And the horsey person. I don't know where that was, sorry. You lose that. They're good though, looking at the little bits, aren't they?
Yeah.
Tiny engaged sacks of salt.
Engaged caravan. Some more down here. Look at that.
What have you seen? Tiny.
Snow and Sons. It's got little springs on the couplings. Graham Farish. That is very nice, that.
I'm not sure how much filming we're going to get done because we don't want to stop people from buying from these stores, so we'll do what we can.
Oh, Pauline, look at this.
Oh, what have you seen?
Jab of the Hutt. That's what I look like after an Indian.
Ricardo, come on.
Hello.
Hello. No, these are, don't we?
Yeah. Oh,
Just
another
in
one of
case
these.
you don't. Oh, what have you seen? Oh, we just
It's the
saw one
Battle
of those,
Space
didn't we?
restaurant car, yeah. And this fiver
Oh.
from the Triang set. Like the, I can't think what it's called. It's like an American Triang stuff.
Yeah.
Hornby Southern coaches, always good. With different Southern greens look.
Ah, yes.
Pilkington. Do like that.
How much
actually.
is that?
4.
Oh, that's good.
It is good actually, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it does say £4 each.
It does, yes. But he said it on the box as well. And this looks like Airfix. Well, it's Dapple, but it's an ex-Airfix one.
Ooh, Oxo.
We got Oxo. You know, Castrol GTX. And 2 of them.
Oh,
It's a good livery.
a
Yep,
brake van.
yep. Castle van, I think.
£5 is really good though, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Well, you got Connie.
Oh, how cute is it though?
And you got this is your old Hymek with the metal bogey and the. I mean, that's in really good condition though, actually.
What's that for £30?
It's Hornby Stania Pacific, tender drive.
Oh. Not attached.
No.
Quaker Oats.
Oh yes.
That's £18.
It's because it be a Wrenn.
Yes.
I like that one. I don't think we've got that actually. But what was I looking at?
I was looking at that.
So it's Sesha one. I think that's a fictitious livery. And I can't think of the story behind it, you know how it came about.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a tenner anyway. And these
Yes.
United Dairies.
Yeah.
Problem with these is the ladders always break.
Ah, so you've got to be careful.
Yeah. Doesn't a lot of the older Hornby tankers. That one looks okay.
What's that?
Ah, what is that indeed? The old Triang Hornby. A couple of cable rolls by the look of it.
Oh, right.
They're quite well detailed, aren't they?
I was going to say.
For how old it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that. It's very nice.
Yeah. Not seen that one.
That one?
Yeah.
No, we don't see many of the Oxford Rail, do we?
No.
They're very nice. Fantastic detail. Really, really good prices.
How much is that?
9.
Oh.
It's newish.
Yeah, yeah.
They're all good price on here though. There's a Nathan one.
Oh, yeah.
It's a dapple. I'm guessing that was the ex-Wrenn one. It's well, similar anyway, maybe wrong. Got those buildings there at the end. It's like the resin ones,
Ah, right,
like
I see.
the shed we've got.
These are all 39. That and that. And then it's 20
Got this
over
as well.
that. Oh,
That's good, isn't it?
yeah.
I've not seen one of those for sale before.
Ash pants.
It's really nice.
I do
Signal
like-
box. What's that one? Very nice.
Chimney. Are they made?
Have you seen that Lima DMU at the top, that livery? It's like a...
Which one, sorry?
Oh, yeah, that's £79 that.
Remember the beeline?
Huh? These caught my eye. I don't know why. It's the colour, I think.
Yeah, quite a rare one. West Highland livery.
Nice.
In the
Another
80s,
one. There's a
90s.
couple there as well.
Nice brave on that. These are nice.
Oh, it's nice the weather.
Yeah. Well, these are one of the best Lima wagons or tankers, so to speak. They've just got really good detail on for how old they are.
Yeah.
Quite a nice selection, but these as well though.
Oh, yeah, they're nice.
Ah, got one of these. Satellite launcher. Could get some height on that. Let's check one out one day.
Yeah.
That's a very orangey yellow Great Western, isn't it?
Yeah.
The Graham Farish. Got a couple of those.
Yeah.
What's that? I think that's probably been repainted,
I was
hasn't
going to say,
it?
it's looking very shiny.
Yeah, it's been repainted into LMS. Looks nice though. Just getting all your ones to match.
Yeah.
These are your old trying Pullmans. Tiny, aren't they?
Yeah. They are beautiful, though.
There's no shortage of Pullmans, is there? Blue Seal, that's the first one I got. All selected one there called Sheila.
I know, I just spotted that myself.
Here is a replica railways coach.
£13. Mm.
Ex-mainline.
Oh, right, okay.
This has had a better wheels put on it. Oh, look at these. These are right up your street, aren't they?
Beautiful, aren't they, though?
A whole selection of them. Look.
Oh. Very nice. How much are those?
$16.50. Oh, Pauline.
Oh. Oh, they're nice.
They're Wrenn.
Are they?
Yeah. I've got one.
Oh,
They're very rare.
are they?
Yeah. Oh, speaking of,
That's one we found we've never seen before.
yeah, well, we have now. I said there's a really nice selection of coaches on here.
And if you really like your coaches, then yeah, definitely. What are those black ones? Somebody painted those?
No,
or are
not
they,
at all. No. They're, I'm guessing
are they blue? Or are they black?
they're very dark blue. You know that loco we saw?
Oh, right.
Southeastern Chesham Railway. I think they're to go with that. There's an awful lot of them, isn't there?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh. Still want one of those. How much is that?
78.
Maybe not. Maybe not. But they are beautiful.
Well, you'd only need one,
Yeah.
which is a bonus. I just think these are really nice.
They are, aren't they?
Backman,
Ah.
2 for 30. And look at 12, 13.
What's that? Missing 2 front wheels.
Well, they're easily found then. Just say second-hand bargain Beefeater Bear.
Oh.
Green Swallow Partridge, you'll know what that is.
Oh,
I had
right.
3, 1 got stolen.
Oh, when you was younger.
No,
Oh,
10 years ago.
Oh dear.
I'm a Partridge fan, so I had to get the Bears.
Is that the one that's missing?
I don't know if it's him or not, you'd have to ask him. He's not saying
No, I
anything.
mean...
It's similar, but he's put on weight. You know. Yeah.
Because I can't recognise one from the other, but I don't recognise the hat.
You'd have to watch more Partridge.
No, not possible.
What's Bobby
sorry.
doing here?
Oh, I do like that though.
Is
that the one that's missing that you had?
I don't think it is. I'll have to check. We've got
you
2.
don't recognise that hat?
No, they've not been out for some time. Well, they all have the same hat.
Oh, right, okay. Well, maybe I'm not
I'm not
taking
sure which
enough
one
notice.
it is. Yeah. Right. Right, these are interesting. Trust me.
Okay.
Let's look at some of the older Hornby catalogues from like the late 70s and stuff. They have these on towards the end of the catalogue, you know, as kits
Oh, yes.
we actually make. And you never see them for sale that often. I can only assume that isn't a kit, that comes ready-made, but these are a couple of the kits. I've never seen them at a show before. Yeah, let's crack on here.
So I've just seen that. So,
It's like an old
without
Cheyenne.
windows.
Without, oh right, yeah. Scrap.
Yeah.
You put it down as scrap. So look at here. There's some Rackman, blood and custard.
Oh.
Blackman.
These bargain coaches, you've even got it written on them. You know which one it is.
Yeah. It's a very old one, isn't it? Somebody's put curtains in it. It's quite nice. Triang.
There's one
And
underneath.
again.
What's the one underneath it?
Oh, sorry, I missed that. It's a Triang Great Western.
Ah.
You can't go wrong at those prices, to be fair.
No.
2 Hornby. There's no weight in them.
Is there not? Oh, there really isn't, no.
£2.
You really can't go wrong if you
No, you can't.
if you're just starting.
It's a mainline, that.
Is it?
Yeah. £5. But these are in good condition as well, though. They're not
Yeah.
thrown in because of the damage or anything. 2 for £4.50. Oh, there's a Trix one. You don't see many of them. We don't want a Trix one. Oh, it's the same make as that silver thing we've got.
So where are we again, sorry? On this one?
Smaller, that, isn't it? This is Anorax Anonymous, isn't it?
Ah, yeah.
It's nice. Lima 37. That's a bargain.
Oh, how much is that?
1950.
It is, isn't it?
1650. Yeah. Can I have a look at this in more detail? Thank you. Get it out of the box. I've been taped, has it? Try this end. There we go. Mark. Oh, it was a mark. It's not. What a packaging. Probably Lima is you lose the buffers. The fact is they come off easier rather than break and snap everything else. It's actually a good thing. That's my sweaty fingers, that.
It's an awful lot of grey and forestry.
Should we have a look at the end gauge?
So many, isn't there?
That's nice.
What's that?
Royal Mail Travelling Post Office.
Ah,
Tenner.
yes, yeah.
Quite a few just now have caught my eye. I've not seen that before, J mails.
No.
Some are very rare, some of the dapple. And look at this. What is that livery?
So MOS?
All it says is MOS. Anybody knows what MOS is? Before we...
Is there anything?
There's nothing on the end,
Ah.
apart from MOS.
Yeah,
I do like it
when
though.
you find out, yeah.
I do like that. Look down here, what else we got? Shell Electrical Oils. We've got that as the main line.
Alright.
Absolutely identical apart from the couplings. Because obviously they took over time, production of some of them. Look at all these.
In your little element, aren't you?
We have got most of them. So I'll skip that. Oh, got a mainline 56. That's something we want. Or a newer Hornby version, they're exactly the same.
Right. Is it on the list?
I think it is, yeah. And we got these are very popular in the 70s. Nice full train, that looks good.
Yeah, it's nice to see a full train full, isn't it?
Got this Herbert.
Yeah, exactly. That will be the second.
Oh, look at that.
You need that.
It's an unusual livery. Got your separate handrails there. These have never bothered putting them on, have they?
No.
Might never been used, that's the thing. Might have just been stored in a box, collected.
Ah.
We'll start with this, with a more detailed look. It's your Lima 47. And that is hiding the thing. So we've got one of these, but ours is 47163. Has a different Union Jack and a grey rather than a silver roof. So my version came out in 2002. This one's from 87, hence the older packaging. I actually prefer the livery. It was done like this for the 1977 Super Jubilee.
Ah.
There you go.
It's a lovely one.
So that's that. Back in there. Yeah, we do like 47s, as we've said.
Yeah.
This one.
Which is
All wrapped up. We don't mind. Not too bad. So it's another Wrenn, believe it or not.
Really?
And it's the Duchess of Hamilton. Now this one, the main Wrenn Duchesses, this is the only one that didn't have the smoke deflectors.
Ah.
Which to me, if any loco benefited from smoke deflectors, these the big Lizzies as they call them. So this, obviously they're based on the old Hornby Double-O toolings. Hornby Double-O did 3 toolings of this class of loco, and this was the 3rd one. I think it came out in 1959. As you can tell, it hasn't got the curve there. So this loco would have been built with the streamlined casing on. That's the giveaway.
Ah.
So I think about 2,500 were only made of this one. So it's actually quite a rare one.
Yeah.
I think simply because it's not as an attractive design, without the smoke deflectors. There you go. There's the tender. It's all matching. Yeah, a nice model.
Yeah. Do you know?
I think it just like the helicopter one.
Like a wind-up one, like a helicopter, yeah.
Yeah.
What's the so? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just
No,
the
it
same
do-
as the
it doesn't-
helicopter.
I think it's the same mechanism.
You'd have to turn that bit there.
Yeah,
and it locks
I don't know if
underneath.
that's gonna. Yeah, that's gonna come off there. So I just imagine.
Dunno. I'm not using it to find out.
No, no. But you can see there's some sort of
Yeah, it just locks in place, doesn't it?
right.
Yeah, it's cardboard.
Oh, it looks like paper. Is that paper covering it?
Yeah.
Is that how they used to do it then?
Well, it looks like it, yeah. I've never seen it before, but I only assume so.
Can I just? Oh, can I just ask you about these? Is that literally paper over?
Over those, yeah. They're the original one.
Oh right, okay.
The thing was the furniture one and the meat van.
Yeah, is that?
Furniture one, yeah.
Yeah, that's the furniture and that's the meat one.
You also peg trackers on the top as well. It's the trackers.
All right.
Sold to this morning actually.
I've just never seen them with a paper overlay.
All right. Well, those are the other ones. The barrels. They have overlays on them. Again, from the factory.
Yeah, yeah. They look quite heavy, that one, isn't it?
But 3-wheel always tend to be heavier
Right.
than the plastic versions later on.
Yeah. Oh, lovely. Yeah, I've just not seen it and I thought, is that paper? You know, when you're looking at it.
Yeah. You have to watch over the years. Any dampness then they start to lift off.
Yeah.
Graham Parish tank here for £38. A lovely model. Look at the coal detail on it there as well. That's all die-cast metal there. We don't see many of them. Not in that condition anyway. I think it's really caught the eye. Once you got another Graham Parish
How
tank
much is
engine
that one
behind it.
behind?
How much is the one behind?
42.
42. They are good value, them.
Beautiful, aren't they?
They are really nice.
And our friend Peter.
Which one do you prefer, the blue or the maroon?
You know, it's hard to say.
It's got to be the maroon. That's the original colour. It's when they became...
Right, okay.
They brought in the British Rail corporate blue, everything went blue. And it didn't suit all locos.
No, no.
You know, the fact that they had them in maroon was quite unique, you know, because we were the old Great Western region.
Yeah.
So they had another loco called the Warships, like smaller than that, and they were maroon as well, and green, and it was nice.
Yeah. Bit of Engator.
Yeah, and get some 4 in there.
Nice, aren't they?
And
Got
you
some
got the O
O-gauge,
gauge.
I know.
Just zoom out a bit on this. Look at that little 040 tank engine there.
Ah.
Store's called Along Classic Lines.
Oh.
We've got here.
Let's have a nosy. Hold the packet all the way.
It's packing away, yeah. Triang back in the day, in addition to doing the ready-to-run ones, they do the same model where you made it yourself and they sold it cheaper.
Oh, right. Well, if it's your thing, then definitely.
Yeah, but it's exactly the same. You just put it together yourself. Same with the coach.
Right, what a great idea, though.
Yeah. Never seen one. No, open one of these, please. Thank you. Oh, have they?
Yeah.
Let me hold that bag for you.
Well, there it is. I've got it. You're all right. There you go.
Ah, it's already been done.
So you have to take it apart again.
Maybe not.
Yeah. Formula 002 rail down. See, that's all metal, simple 8 coaches.
Nice set.
Yeah.
135, yeah. Lovely. Let's have a look at that lid again, if that's okay. Yeah, it's lovely, that.
I've not seen that design before.
Aw,
Interesting.
thanks for letting us look at that.
Yeah,
That's nice, that.
cool.
Thank you.
I got an O-gauge Lima 33. I was looking at one of those the other day. Everybody said I should buy it and put it on the shelf at home. Well, what have you got?
MCB brake van,
Oh, that's nice.
and I bought a diver.
Oh, you saved some for us, yeah? Oh, it's in a bag. Oh, the IVAT. Yeah, they're good, those.
Yeah,
You got the tender with it as well? Yeah, they're a good tender. I do like them because they've got the glazing in, haven't they?
What's catching you now?
Well, what was catching my eye was this little fella here.
On the bell.
Because somebody bought me a Percy. He was getting lonely.
And that is...
That's duck. No, not... Well, I didn't intend to, but somebody bought me Percy. For my
Yeah,
birthday.
but it's his favourite. It's his favourite.
Yep, got it. All these buildings. We haven't looked at the buildings today, have we? Oh, look at these. Can you see anything in there? Rubbish filming.
You're fired.
They've been repainted. Yeah, we never look at the buildings enough anymore, do we? Look at that there, that rock concert.
Oh, I was looking at it before. That looks amazing, doesn't it?
Who's playing? Who do you think it is? Let's have a look.
See if you
Let's
can
have a see.
recognise.
Yeah.